Israel chief rabbi urges rebuilding Jerusalem temple. Rabbi David Lau says the structure could fit atop the Temple Mount without need to remove Muslim houses of worship. Speaking of, they are looking for a plan to be able to leave the mosque there and build the temple. And that would make perfect sense. And the Bible actually describes that when they do have this temple, there's going to be a section that is for the Gentiles. There's a section of where they build the temple. There's another section for those who are not Jews. And so it's significant that this guy, the Ashkenazi chief rabbi, Ashkenazi is like, I think it's like you've got different Jews in it. So they've got Ashkenazi Jews. The Ashkenazi chief rabbi of Israel, David Lau, said he would like to see the Jewish temple rebuilt on the Temple Mount in Jerusalem. To build it, there was no need to remove any Muslim shrines on the Temple Mount. There was plenty of room for Jews, Christians, Muslims, everyone. This is just setting up for the last days. He told the Knesset channel on Tuesday. He says, I can't tell you exactly what was in the temple, but the truth is that when you see the prophets, the writings, this is black news today. The sayings of the sages, you understand whoever went there came back full of inspiration, emotion, joy, and satisfaction. So I yearn for those days, he added. The most important site in Judaism, because two temples stood there in biblical and post-biblical times. The Temple Mount today houses Islam's third holiest site, the Al-Aqsa Mosque. So what we're talking about is not disconnected from reality.